extracurricular competitions to encourage and to bring the talent of our little ones. Now, I'd like to request our Principal Mahalakshmi ma'am to please come upon the dais along with the Chief Guest Ravindra Babu Garu to award the talented winners of Nursery A section with the medals. Competition. The first prize goes to Rudra and Nitikya. The first prize goes to Rudra and Nitikya. Rudra and Nitikya. Please encourage the little one with your clap. The second prize goes to Mahanshi and Asrit. The second prize goes to Mahanshi and Asrit. Goes to Shreyanshi and Jashmi. Shreyanshi and Jashmi. The third prize goes to Suhan, Charvik. Suhan, Charvik, Manvik and Advait. Suhan, Charvik, Advait and Manvik. Is color dabbing. The first prize goes to Nitikya and Rudra. The first prize goes to Nitikya and Rudra. The second prize goes to Charvik and Advait. The second prize goes to Charvik and Advait.
दो मेडल मिलेंगे तो दो मेडल.
The third prize goes to Ishika and Shriram. Ishika and Shriram. And Shri Prahasa. The next competition is Sloka competition. First prize goes to Nitikya and Advait. First prize goes to Nitikya and Advait. Second prize goes to Dheeraj and Shreyanshi. Second prize goes to Dheeraj and Shreyanshi. Dheeraj and Shreyanshi. The third prize goes to Ashrit Chandra, Charvik and Pranav Sai. Ashrit Chandra, Charvik and Pranav Sai. Ashrit Chandra, Charvik and Pranav Sai. The next competition is musical chairs. The first prize goes to Ditya. Ditya. The first prize goes to Ditya. Nitignya. The third prize goes to Ishika. The third prize goes to Ishika. The next competition is frog jump. The first prize goes to Ninal. The first prize goes to Ninal. The second prize goes to Dheeraj. The second prize goes to Dheeraj. The third prize goes to Mahanshi and Sahash. The third prize goes to Mahanshi and Sahash. And the next competition is beading competition. First prize goes to Samarth. First prize goes to Samarth.